Manipur police brings back wanted chairman of proscribed Panglipa Communist Party People's War Group, Lamyanba Khuman, under tight security in Imphal. And World Bank announces $12 billion aid package to help countries combat coronavirus outbreak. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur police brought back the wanted chairman of proscribed Kangleipa Communist Party People's War Group KCP-PWG, Lamyanba Khuman alias Laishram Mangoljao, under tight security in Imphal today. Lamyanba Khuman was flown in from New Delhi with Air Asia flight IF-783, which landed at the Imphal International Airport at 10:50 a.m. A joint team of Delhi Police Special Cell, Southwest Manipur Police, led by Imphal East District Police Additional SP Operation Roni Mayengbam, arrested Lamyanba Khuman and his associate Hizbur Rahman at Burari's Nirankari Sarovar bus stand in New Delhi on March 1st. The court has issued non-bailable warrants against them. It may be mentioned that Lamyanba Khuman and Hizbur Rahman are not only accused of carrying out extortions from businessmen and politicians, but they are also accused of carrying out terror activities like hurling of grenades. Manipur police had earlier announced a bounty of 1 lakh rupees to anyone who can provide whereabouts of the proscribed chairman.
Anything to speak on media?
No. Please sit.
Just get out.
No.
He said that the strong police team from Imphal. Now
One-day workshop on the usage of Geographic Information System GIS technology and remote sensing in planning and monitoring of various projects of line departments in Manipur was held at Hotel Imphal today. Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center, MRSAC, and Esri India Private Limited organized the workshop jointly on the theme GIS Technology, Vision and Disaster Management System of Manipur. Speaking on the sidelines, MRSAC Director Dr. N. Randhir said every department in Manipur require remote sensing data and GIS software is required to analyze the data. He said the workshop aims to stress the responsibilities of each department and to identify the problems facing them to bring solutions. A live demo of air vehicle drone produced by Science and Technology Park of Pune University was shown at the workshop. Dr. N. Randhir mentioned that GIS drones are being utilized for various sericulture and PMGSY projects by the state government. Many departments involved in GIS activity in the state attended the workshop.
Manipur mafam kaida khwaidi hena draw thokan ba last sahi taraj de khwaidi jam thokan ba kitang thokan ba prone areas in khoi identify te do mayam khangan jagini next khoi ki landslide hazard zonation Manipur level national highway loan ma ke khoi na landslide hazard zonation haji kara de khwaidi hena landslide thokan ba susceptible area da khoi loan identify taw lore remoting of GIS technology na adu mayam khangan for example agriculture ga mo soil health yang ga hero water resource department kara dising phangi kara catchment area kam jawi most of the departments remoting data Daga oi hai data sing analysis to ge di GIS ha software sing matena analysis to ko ni adu masi matang da masi kana ba kamai to ge ha ngasi workshop mabung phana khanan ni.
A team of Thoubal District Police arrested a drug peddler in possession of 18,000 Worldis tablets from Yaripok Bazaar, Torban Pareng around 8:40 a.m. today. The arrested person is 29-year-old Limjapao Haukip alias Papao, son of Saikokai Haukip from Bongbang Kulen of Saichang village in Kangpokpi district. Sources said Yaripok police personnel along with Yaripok police station inspector MD Rizayuddin Shah under the supervision of Thoubal district SP Dr. S. Ibomcha arrested the miscreant. Yaripok police station has registered a case against Limjapao Haukip and investigations are underway. Imphal City's first exclusive store of men clothing brand, Indian Terrain, was opened at Thamaiban Mashnam Lekai today. Proprietor of the exclusive store, Hirandu Koijamsat, casual shirts, khakis, t-shirts, knitwear, jacket, denims and many other items will be available in the store. He said the brand, founded in 2000, introduced Indian Terrain Boy clothing for the age group of 4 to 16 years in 2015. He said the boys' clothing will also be available in the store.
Sida yauri men ka boys ki collection ni denim khaki cotton collection adum lay aduga price range ta su affordable oiba quality su phaba adu mayam da media gi through the request tawningi lakpiu store da akoi offer su pizari aduga yeng view product se try to view soidana pamni na khali.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on $12 billion aid package announced by World Bank to help countries combat coronavirus outbreak. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. World Bank has unveiled a $12 billion aid package that will provide fast-track funds to help countries combat the coronavirus outbreak. World Bank President David Malpass told reporters that the goal is to provide fast, effective action that responds to country needs. The funds, some of which are targeted to the world's poorest nations, can be used for medical equipment or health services and will include expertise and policy advice. Malpass said the money will go to countries that request help. The bank has been in contact with many member nations, but he did not specify which are likely to be the first to receive aid. Now the sports news. Hero I-League match between Real Kashmir FC and Neroka FC is underway on Srinagar's TRC Polo synthetic turf ground since 2 this afternoon. In today's second league match, Trau FC will face Churchill Brothers FC at Imphal Kuman Lampak main stadium at 5 p.m. In yesterday's league match played at Mumbai's Corporate ground, Indian Arrows FC and Minerva Punjab FC ended in 1-1 draw. For Indian Arrows FC, Gibson Singh scored 1 goal at 90 plus 3 minutes of the match, while for Minerva Punjab FC, Sanju Pradhan scored 1 goal in the 6th minute of the match. Kerala Gokulam FC and East Bengal FC also ended in 1-1 draw yesterday at Kerala's EMS Stadium. For Kerala Gokulam FC, Marcus Joseph scored 1 goal in the 9th minute, and for East Bengal FC, Victor Perez Alonso scored 1 goal in the 24th minute of the match. India will battle against England in the first semi-final match of the ongoing Women's T20 World Cup cricket in Melbourne at Sydney Cricket Ground tomorrow, while South Africa will play against 4-time champion Australia in the second semi-final match of the Cup tomorrow at the same venue. It may be mentioned that India lost to England in the semi-final match of the 2018 Women's T20 World Cup cricket. In an effort to develop playgrounds in Imphal City, High School MLA T.H. Satyabrata today inaugurated its new playground fence of United Youth Organization UYO in Singjamai Wangma Bhagyabati Lekai of High School constituency. UYO President Tingudam Prameshwar and many locals attended the event.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯐꯝ ꯂꯝꯄꯥꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯃꯥꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯊꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯨ UIOꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯄꯥꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯝꯄꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇꯪ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯝꯄꯥꯛꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗ ꯄꯦꯟꯕꯤꯕꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯍꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ.
Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur police brings back wanted chairman of proscribed Kangleipa Communist Party People's War Group Lamyanba Kuman under tight security in Imphal. And World Bank announces $12 billion aid package to help countries combat coronavirus outbreak.